Happy birthday, Raiden. Uy, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Raiden. Happy birthday, Raiden.
Asan na yung ano? Manila. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday,
Raiden. O game, mag-wish ka na.
Mag-wish ka na.
Naku po, alam po na i-wish niyan. Alam ko na i-wish niyan. Yay! Oh, chicken curry.
I don't know why, but you stay on my mind. You walking like a quiet breeze, messing with my heartbeat. Don't even try, you just exist, and that's enough for me. You smile like you don't know what it does to me, and I pretend I'm fine, but I'm not really. I try to look away, but I keep looking back. It's just the little things that get me like that. It's the way you say my name like it's something soft and sweet, and the way you laugh out loud like the world's on repeat. I don't know what this is, but I know I can't hide. Every little thing you do stays on my mind. Stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. You don't even notice me counting every glance I replay. The way you
Kawish! May kawish!
May gawis nga eh. Sana imapan ako.
Jamuran Street.
Tol, sino nangangalabit sa akin? Sino makulit? Sino makulit dyan? Ah, sino? Sino kumain na ng chicken? Gusto pa ng chicken? Sus, may nagawa ng si Zelos sa'yo.
Ay, hindi na.
Zelos ka? Wala. Zelos naman. Ang batang yan.
Oo, pabuhat yan.
Ay. Nagselos naman. Ang baby daw ng ulag ko. Luna. Paano daw po ang baby? Oh, paano daw?
Ayos ka!
Aray ko.
Ano upo mo?
May nangangalabit sa akin. Nangangalabit na naman ng ingin chicken.
Ito ka namin.
Ito, gagawin ko siyang tataba sa lupa. Ayan. para maging fertilizer ng ating mga halaman.
Seemed nearly indestructible. Massive. The Japanese troops were deep underground and largely unharmed. What was supposed to be a quick fight for the Marines. To deal with it, had to use a weapon that could penetrate.
Ganda ng dahon. Ang ganda ng bagong dahon. Malakas yung hangin ngayon dito. Dry siya eh. Yung rubber plant, nagkakaroon na naman ng bagong dahon. Ito yung rubber plant na yung dahon niya na bago. Ngayon meron na namang isa na pasulpot. Nakakadalawa na akong dahon, pangalawang dahon na yan.